Imagine Lamine Yamal winning the Champions League this season, and then he goes to PSG for 200 to 300 million euros. But then his career gets destroyed due to injuries, which leads him to go to Saudi, and then again to a smaller club. Luckily, it's just my imagination. But it did happen to someone.